Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you often use a dictionary?
Yes, I often use a dictionary when I'm looking up words or double checking spellings.
Question number 2. What do you use dictionaries for?
I use dictionaries to look up word definitions, double check spellings, and learn how to pronounce words correctly.
Question number 3. Do you prefer paper or electronic dictionaries?
Electronic dictionaries are better than paper ones because they are easier to use and have more information.
Question number 4. Do you think dictionaries are useful for learning a language?
Yes, dictionaries are extremely helpful when learning a language. They provide detailed definitions and usage examples, which can assist students in better understanding the meanings of words and how to use them correctly.
Question number 5. Are dictionaries used a lot in schools in your country?
Yes, dictionaries are widely used in my country's schools. When students come across an unfamiliar word or phrase, most teachers encourage them to consult dictionaries.
Question number 6. What kind of information can you find in a dictionary?
A dictionary can give you a lot of different kinds of information, like definitions, how to say words, synonyms, antonyms, examples of how to use words, and even where words came from.
Question number 7. What kinds of dictionaries do you think are the most useful?
Bilingual dictionaries, in my opinion, are the most useful because they allow people to learn two languages at the same time. They translate words and phrases from one language to the other, which can be very helpful.
Question number 8. How would you feel if you receive a dictionary as a gift?
I'd be thrilled to receive a dictionary as a gift. It is an excellent resource for learning and expanding vocabulary, as well as for writing and reading. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.